This is a quick tutorial on how to back up the Longwatch configuration database. We're going to start with a admin command prompt. Navigate to /program files 86 /longwatch /SQL /scripts. We're then going to run LW backup. Okay, that's the default name of the folder. It's got the computer name and the date in it. We typically do not back up the event clips. Back up the log files. And since it's not created, we're going to automatically create that folder. And we're ready to go. And you can see there's some information on the screen. The main thing to look for is this section right here. That basically they processed X amount of pages, so on and so forth. That tells you that we've got a good backup. So the next step would be to go to the folder and compress it. Then we would take that compressed file and we copy it off box. So if we wanted to, let's say we want to recover a system, we can rebuild the complete system from this database, even on a different machine. So we would reinstall a VCC and we'd run LW restore. LW restore. You have to specify the backup folder, C:/LW, and that's the folder name, and it finds it. So we're going to proceed. We make a backup copy of the current database, and then we proceed to restore. Again, you want to look for this section here. If there's going to be any problem, it's going to show up right here. So this looks like a good backup. And if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.